Let's get to that final trade of the day now with Mike Patton, head trader at Funder Trading. I can tell you're having a busy day.
Yes, it's a very busy day. The trade I'm looking at right now is called the trade desk. The symbol is TTD. Now, this stock has recently been down a lot. So just the short backstory, the company was rolling. They're a company that does advertising related services, and they had a rollout of their new AI software product, and it was supposed to be launched. And this happened back in February, but they had some hiccups. They had some delays, some rollout issues. Also, they reported revenue that was quite a bit less. That was like 741 million. They said it would be at least 756 million. So people were really expecting more, quite a bit more money, and they disappointed on that. Their earnings per share came out better than expected, but it was the revenue and the delays and complications with their rollout that were concerns. The stock price dropped dramatically. The stock price is down roughly 50% from where it was only a month ago. Now, I'll tell you up front, like, this one is risky because it's not that I think it can go much lower, but it may not go much higher for quite a while. This stock could get back up to in the 80s to even up to $100 a share in the next several months or so. In a similar fashion to what happened to Netflix years ago when they were saying they're going to have 8 million users at it and they only got a fourth of that, but then the stock right now is way past where it was after the drop. In fact, it's at highs that are even greater than where it was before that drop. So this looks like another stock that has that potential, but it will be a longer term hold. So here's what I would say. If the stock is trading below $50 a share, let's say down to about 46, that's where I would decide to cut it loose, because if it keeps declining from where it is now, that would imply the situation is not stable. But
investors and traders are now fixated on President Trump's tariff talk, especially April 2nd. What do you think the stock market will do, rise or sell off on the news?
I don't think the markets are going to sell on the news or anything like that. I think you'll get some rebalancing of positions, but that's about it. Everyone probably that has enough money to move the market has probably made their bets. So for me, I'm just going to expect volatility. But other than that, we'll wait and see what the larger players are doing and go from there. But I wouldn't expect any clear indication of which way it will go when that happens.
Never a dull moment. Thank you, Mike.
No problem.